Dear children, today we are going to discuss about the multiple choice questions from chapter 2, that is from the earth and changes on it. I have selected the very inside questions from this chapter and hope all these questions will be very useful to us for preparing for the examination. To begin with, the question number 1. The process that disintegrates rocks is called weathering or erosion or deposition. The correct option is weathering. Question number 2. The forces working on the earth's surface and bringing changes on it are called internal forces or external forces or volcanic eruptions. The correct option is external forces. Question number 3. The science of study of landforms is called geomorphology or archaeology or seismology. The correct option is geomorphology. Question number 4. The process of gradual wearing and carrying away of disintegrated rock particles is called deposition or erosion or weathering. The correct option is erosion. Question number 5. The process of leveling of land is called deposition or erosion or gradation. The correct option is gradation. Question number 6. Which one of the following is a factor affecting the process of gradation? Temperature of a place, changing land use, slope of the land, or all of the above? The correct option is all of the above. Question number 7. Which one of the following features is not formed in the early stage of a river? Ice-shaped valley, waterfall, meander. The correct option is meander, because meanders are formed in the maturity stage. Question number 8. Tributaries are mostly found in the dash course of a river. Upper course, middle course or lower course? The correct option is tributaries are found in the upper course. Question number 9. A triangular landform formed due to deposition of sand, silt and sediments near river mouth is called glacier, delta or cliff. The correct option is delta. Question number 10. The glaciers which occupy large areas over the continents are called continental glaciers, mountain glaciers or Piedmont glacier. The correct option is continental glaciers. Question number 11. In the old states, the river becomes large and dash, youthful, narrower or sluggish? The correct option is option number 3, that is sluggish. Question number 12. Which one of the following is a continental glacier? Greenland, Siachen or Gangotri? The correct option is Greenland, because Siachen and Gangotri are mountain glaciers. Question number 13. Which one of the following is a mountain glacier? Greenland, Antarctica or Gangotri? The correct option is Gangotri Glacier of India, from where Ganga river originates. This is called a mountain glacier found over the Himalayas. Question number 14. Which one of the following is an erosional feature formed by wind? Sand dune, longitudinal dunes or mushroom rock? You have to find out the erosional feature. So the correct option is mushroom rock, because sand dune and longitudinal dunes, they are depositional features. Question number 15. Continuous erosion by sea waves forms steep-sided rocks called coast, beaches or cliffs? The correct option is cliffs. Question number 16. Which one of the following is a depositional feature formed by sea waves? Coast, beaches or cliffs? The correct option is beaches. Beaches are formed due to deposition of eroded sand. So that is why beaches are depositional features. Question number 18. The dark colored substance formed due to decomposition of dead remains of plants and animals is called gravel, humus or loam. The correct option is humus. Humus enriches soil fertility. That means makes the soil more fertile. Question number 19. The large sized inorganic particles of soil is called sand, clay or gravel. The correct option is the largest particle of soil is gravel. Question number 20. Soil formed by weathering of parent rock and remains present at the same site is called residual soil, transported soil or weathered soil. The correct option is residual soil because it remains present on the same site where the weathering has been taken place. Question number 21. The lowest horizon of soil is bedrock, weathered rock or subsoil. The correct option is bedrock. Question number 22. The layers of soil formed one above the other over a long span of time are called horizons, solid rock or topsoil. The correct option is horizons. Question number 23. The soil layer which contains humus is subsoil or topsoil or bedrock. The correct answer is topsoil because on the topsoil the plants used to grow and animals used to live. That is why on the topsoil humus is found. Question number 24. The soil which is formed due to large deposition of sediments by rivers is desert soil, black soil or alluvial soil. The correct option is alluvial soil which is formed due to the work of the river and is very fertile, mostly found over the northern plains and coastal plains of India. Question number 25. In which of the following states black soil is found? Punjab, Maharashtra or Odisha? The correct option is Maharashtra. Mostly black soil is found over the Deccan Trough region. It covers parts of Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, Maharashtra and Karnataka. Majorly this covers these areas. So over Maharashtra, black soil is found. Question number 26. In which of the following states red soil is not found? Mizoram, Tamil Nadu, Gujarat. The correct option is Gujarat. In Gujarat, alluvial soil and black soil is found. In Mizoram and Tamil Nadu, red soil is found. Question number 27. Which soil has the capacity to retain moisture and become sticky when wet? It's a special characteristics. So the soil is alluvial soil or laterite soil or cotton soil. The correct answer is cotton soil. Cotton soil is also known as black soil or rigor soil. So the correct option is cotton soil here. Question number 28. Removal of top layer of the soil is called soil transportation, soil erosion or soil formation. The correct option is this is soil erosion. Question number 29. The V-later-like feature formed by the downward cutting of rocks by river is called waterfall, V-shaped valley, gorge. The correct option is, yes, you might be guessing very correctly, it is V-shaped valley. Question number 30. River channels separating from the main rivers are called tributaries, headwaters or distributaries. The correct option is distributaries. They are getting separated from the main river. That means they are distributing the water of the main river. That's why they are known as distributaries. and mostly they are found in the lower courses. Question number 31. Which soil is formed in heavy rainfall areas due to leaching? Red soil, black soil or laterite soil? The correct option is laterite soil. Laterite soil is formed due to leaching. The nutrients which are present in the soil, they leach down, they go down with the rainwater. So that is why the soil is laterite soil, mostly found in the heavy rainfall areas. Question number 32. Which of the following soil is highly porous and fine-grained? Black soil, red soil or laterite soil? The correct option is, yes, you are guessing very correctly, it is the red soil. Yes. Question number 33. Soil erosion leads to decline in crop yield, formation of humus, deforestation. The correct option is decline in crop yield. If fertile soil will not be available, the production of the crop will decrease. Thus, it leads to decline in crop yield. Question number 34. Which soil is found in the heavy rainfall areas of the peninsular plateau? Already I told you, heavy rainfall area means which soil is found? Is it red soil, laterite soil or black soil? The correct option is laterite soil. Question number 35. This is the last one but not the least. Crop rotation leads to soil erosion, soil degradation or soil conservation? The correct answer is soil conservation. By rotating crops, that means cereals must be followed by pulses so that the nitrogen can be restored in the soil. So it helps in soil conservation. So dear children, these are all what I have collected. Still, you can find out some new questions. Keep on reading the text. Note down all the questions serially in the copy and try to remember for your exam. Thank you all. Thank you.